Hello, Toasted Bread here, and today I'm gonna show you how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. Okay, first open Google, type in One Mobile Market download. So you actually need to download two things. Choose your browser and it will start downloading. Okay, once you have downloaded One Mobile Market, open it. And choose Global Top, and here you have it, Minecraft Pocket Edition. So be sure to share, like and subscribe. So yeah, goodbye.